What is going on, guys? Event Slipping Panda here. And I got another unboxing. This time it's not from the Funko Pops, but this time it's this enormous box. I mean, why is it so enormous? I mean, look at what it's in the box. I mean, is that necessary? Is that necessary for such a big box? I mean, look at this. We have a Monstertruck that comes out of it. And it's a RC car too, but why is it in this box and why is it not like this? Because if you do it the other way, the thing likes to shake a lot, like my camera does. I mean, if you put it in like this, then it likes to shake a lot. You know what I mean? Fucking annoying. Okay, there we go. So. Let's put him outside over here. Let's put this box over there. Fuck you, box. Okay, here we have the RC car Gravedigger. It's from Monsterjam. Gravedigger RC car. It is fully. It can fully steer in to the right, left, and of course through. It has some really soft wheels. And yes, I just got some batteries. We needed 7 AA batteries, 5 for the car, 2 for the remote. That is really cool. Oh my god, it's hot outside. As you can see, you can also get this one, El Toro. I think it's El Toro from Monsterjam. This is the Gravedigger. Unfortunately, it's not with the flag. I'm not really sure if it's without the flag or with the flag because I haven't unboxed it yet. And here you have some more Gravedigger. That's the one I got. Soldier Fortune and El Toro Loco. See, I said it right. And this is the controller. So let's unbox this thing. And we're back. What's up, guys? Face cam over here. And here we have the RC car. Oh no! The knife just went on me. Okay, so we are gonna unbox this thing. Somewhere over here, yep, it's over here. There's a thing over here. So, just cut it out. Cut it out! Oops. We got a manual. Manual with this thing. I like to unbox the thing. Let me just check. Let's put this thing a little bit lower. So you can actually see the box. There's the box, guys. Let's see this side. Oh wait, it says up. Wait, but now up is down. Okay. Oh my gosh. There we go. Oh. Got it out. Get out of the box, you. There we go. That's the box. It's gonna be put in for a thumbnail. We will soon do. Here we go. And this is the Gravedigger. It is quite a big vehicle, by the way. Because for comparison, I also got a Lamborghini. I got a Lamborghini Sesto Elemento. That is also on my channel, by the way. And look at the comparison of this one, guys. This one is, I think this is 140, skill 140, and this is a skill of 115. So yeah, that's a really big monster truck. So let's see, how can we open up these things? Let me just put okay, there it is, guys. Just got it a little bit better to see there. Okay, so we have a button over here. It's the button to screw open the controller. It comes out already over here. Wow, this is a really cheap controller. I mean, look at this. It's just basically plastic, and you can open it up over here. It doesn't even have a screw in. Look how light it is. It's just so freaking light. But it's a 27 megahertz thing. This thing needs 2 batteries, so the batteries are over here. These are the batteries, 10 batteries. 2 batteries for the controller and 7 for the other thing. This thing also comes with a satellite thing, I think. Wow, this is such a cheap controller, man. I mean, just hold on, guys. I mean, where is that controller from my... This is the controller from my car. This car, Sesto Elemento. And then you have this controller for a Monstertruck. Well, okay. I'm not gonna go on with that. Okay, let's see. Where can we open up this thing? This is, oh wow. It's quite a little bit thin, but I like the stickers, by the way. Grave digger, really awesome. How do we remove this? Oh wait, there's some more things over here. Let's get a knife. It's getting knifed. Okay, let's see. That opens up over here. And that way we can open up that thing, okay. Then we need to unplug this one. Fuck. Get loose. There we go. That's a bit annoying. But we just got it. Let's see. This needs to be open. And I think we can. God. Why is this so annoying? Oh, wait a minute. I needed to flap it open. Sorry for so much noise, everybody. But this is how you open up the box. You need to flip this open like a panda. And then you can get this in. There we go. That's how you do it. And then you can open up this thing. Oh my god. There we go. Ah, there we go. Now it's on a plate. Now in this thing we should get some... Ah, there they are. There's the satellite things. Well, not really satellite things, but... Oh wow, it also has a flag. A really dumb flag, but... It's from New Bride. It says New Bride, so... Let's see. That's the car, ladies and gentlemen. So I think this long thing needs to be on the controller, like this. It needs to be on here, like this. Because that way you have it... Oh wait, the flag is for the car and this short thing is for the other one. I think. Because I'm not really sure why it's not... Oh wait, we also have a manual. Manual comes with it. So let's see, manual doesn't show anything like the other thing. No, it's just a manual for the batteries. Well, we already know what the batteries are. But I think this long thing is for this thing. Like this. Well, you guys cannot see what I'm doing, but okay. I'm just putting this thing in. Wow, this is really, really, really light. It looks a mess, really. And then you can put this little straw in this little hole. I can't believe this is so freaking small. I mean, look at this. Look at this. It's just cheap as plastic. But what do you want for 20 bucks? Okay, then this needs to open up over here. Okay, we have some other things over here. So I'll just put the camera over here. You guys can see we have some... oops, oh my god, stupid thing. We have some more openings over here. We just need to open up this like a screw, and this one too. Oh my god, a screw. Oh my god, sorry for the shaking, everybody. Oh my god. Okay, that one is loose. And that one is also loose. There we go, guys. Let's put you back over here. Okay, well, this is nothing. We only have a couple of screws. We can't take it back anymore, but that doesn't matter. I hope it's gonna work. But, that's the box of it. So let's put the box over here. Bye-bye, box. See you later. Oh my god. And this is the car. Woo, yeah, woo, woo. Okay, now under this thing we have, so we need a screw. There's a screw over here to put some batteries in. These are the batteries that I'm gonna put in. So here we go. You need AA batteries. There you go. Yes, of course we need a thing. Doesn't matter. Let's open up the batteries. Battery. I hope it's gonna drive good. I'm not sure if it's driving good, but oh my god. Okay, 2 batteries, 2 AA batteries in this really cheap plastic controller. Oh my god. Can't believe it. Okay, let's put this one over here. A little bit clicking. Is it clicking? No, it's not clicking. Now it's clicking. There you go. That's the second controller. That needs to click in here. There we go. As you can see, the batteries are in. 2 batteries. Yep, there we go. Of course, it's not working, but wait, how is this working? Wow, this feels so goddamn cheap. I mean, why is it so goddamn cheap? And this also isn't really fitting well. So this is for straight through and this is for left, right. I'm not really sure if I'm gonna drive it. I can also show it on my display because it looks really cool. And that's the car. So I'm gonna get some a screw adapter. We got it! We found it! We got a screwdriver for a X point. I'm gonna just open up this thing. There we go. Is it working? Yeah, it's working. So it's just the same like a Furby thing. Need to open up the screw like this till it almost comes out, I think, or till it just come out like this. That's the screw. So we can open up the compartment. Not really sure how. Fuck you. Can you open up? Yeah, there we go. Oh my god. Oh, there we go. Wait, what? That's not good. Shit. Oh, serious? I just needed to let that in? Okay. Thanks for the manual. You can just open up this thing. I mean, I just screwed off the whole bottom of it. Damn it. Okay, let's put the screw back on then. Damn it. It doesn't say in the manual that you need to open up this thing, but I just did, so I'm an idiot. You are an idiot. Yes, I know. And I got my Wi-Fi on, so that's the shake-off. Okay, we need 5 AA batteries. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm not gonna score. Yes, 5 AAA batteries, guys. The first one needs to be in like this, and the second one in like this. There's also an on-off button. Third one, fourth one. This video is sponsored by Jumbo. Okay, now here we have the closing compartment. That needs to be in like this, I think. Okay, and then you put it on. There we go. And now, fucking hell, stupid thing. And now it drives. Oh god. It feels really, really... Wow, okay, the car looks good, by the way. you guys can see. And okay, I can also steer. Not really good, by the way, but oh, excuse me. God damn it, these fingers are already used now. Okay, let's see. Back up. Oh, that was close. Oh. A lot of things with you guys. Can't really show it to you really awesome. But I'm on my knees over here, so. So it goes 10 kilometers an hour. Oh, there we go. That went way faster than normal. Oh, okay. Back. How do you fucking steer like that? Oh, there we go. Yellow. I'm just driving backwards. There we go. Oh, force camera. Not sure if you guys can understand me, but I'm on my knees over here, and I'm trying to. Okay, let's see. Let's see if it also can make a wheelie. Whoa. There we go. Oops. There we go. Yeah, it's driving quite fast. Whoa. Oh my god. Well, really cheap plastic everything. Oh. That was close. Oh, that was close. Let's see. Damn it. I'm just trying to put it. There we go. That's what I want to do. Whoops! Very close. So yeah, guys, that is the Monstertruck. I'm gonna show you a in-depth look of it. So just hang on. Okay, guys, we got the in-depth look over here. Now, as you guys can see, it's just a really simple controller. I can show you this controller and the comparison of my Sesto Elemento. This is my Sesto Elemento in full glory. And this is the Gravedigger. I mean, look at that comparison. That was cool. I can also put a GoPro over here. I got a GoPro 5. Can he also drive over him? I think he can almost drive over him. If it's not for this one. Oh, there we go. Yum. I like Sesto Elementos. Yum. Okay, sorry guys. I'm just being a little bit silly. Okay, there we go. We got some details looks. Now, as you can see, there are all stickers on it. So we have the Gravedigger signs. Bad to the bone, Gravedigger. Really big wheels. This is my hand. And let's see. Conversation. Wow. This thing is also really not durable, but it drives like a maniac with the Sesto Elemento. And this one has a steering wheel. Wait, what? Wait, what? This thing also moves. Excuse me, guys. There's something wrong. Or is it on the same frequency? Because if I... Wait, what the fuck? Can I just move... Are you serious? I can just move it with this one? Oh, that's really cool. Shiny, don't let stream chat makes Fast and Furious car. Uh-oh. Shiny is busy again. Okay, we got some more stickers, guys. Monsterjam over here, New Bride, Gravedigger. Now this is a bad controller, and this is a good controller, and this also works. But it's really weird. If I'm doing this, it's going backwards, and well, okay, that's normal. I think this thing is from the Formula 1 car that you guys can see over there. Because I have another one that is right over here. This is the one from the Sesto Elemento, and this should not work, right? Right? Yeah, this one is not working. So this one is on a different frequency. And this one is the one from the Formula 1 thing. Monstertruck. So this one also moves on this frequency. And I can also steer in. So I like to use this thing better. Because, oh, no! Other way. Okay, there we go. That was a little close. And you can also see it bends. So it has really bendable wheels. Whew. Got some nice little stickers. Nice stickers. Toro Loco, Mixo, Anderson, New Bride, Monsterjam. So yeah, it's a good monster truck. My first monster truck RC car. And I'm very happy with it. It drives good. Better than the Formula 1 car. That is right over there. That is also on a video on the channel. But yeah, guys, that is the monster truck, the Monsterjam truck. And yeah, not really much to say about it. I think I'm done with it. So this is the controller. If you have this controller from Monstertruck, it also works. But this one is a little bit better. It looks much better, and you can steer it a lot better. But there we go, guys. That is it for the unboxing and my kind of review of the Monstertruck Gravedigger. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. See you later. Let's drive. It's really shaking. Sorry, guys. I got a. Oh shit. Uh oh. Uh oh. No, the telephone just fell. Oh, excuse me. See you later. Oh man. Oh wait. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is forward. This is backward, and this is forward. That's a little bit annoying.